Hello, in this video I will briefly introduce you to mechanics labs that we are going to use in the course. This is the screen that you see when you log in to the resource Beyond Labz. You go to Physics, High School, you click Open. Then you go to the left upper corner and you click to Mechanics. And Mechanics Lab will be open soon. This is how it looks. I would like you to take some time and then explore the lab. So let's see. If you click on the screen, you will see the experiment table on which you will do the experiments. Zoom out, we go back. I would like to set up my own experiment. I would like to choose an object. I click on Objects and I'm going to choose a ball. I click on the ball, drag it, and you see this white hole appears on the table. I place it there. Now, let's say I'm going to use a downward gravity force. Click on that, drag it, place on the table. Let's try again. Place on the table. I click on the table. Now let's set up the experiment. Take the ball, place it anywhere you like, and let's start. Nothing happens because there is no force applied. Pause. Let's take the gravity. Now we have the downward force. Let's start again. So the ball starts moving. Now I can change the gravity. I click to Parameters and choose Gravity. Right now we have acceleration due to gravity on Earth, 9.8 meters per second square. I can change that. So let's say I choose Moon. I take the ball, place it wherever I like, and click Start again. Let's say I would like to change the gravity to Jupiter, but this time I would like to record the parameters. I click Recordings, and you see the parameters at the bottom: position XY, velocity, acceleration, momentum. So let's click Start. Now let's see, I would like to change to Pluto and start again and record again. You can notice that the ball moves much slower. Now I would like to see what I recorded. I go to Lab Book and I see two files here, two tables. This is for Jupiter, and I can say on Jupiter here, and the second one is on Pluto. And you can save it, export this PDF. You can export your data as PDF. You can edit your lab book, and if you click Help, you will get the lab book help, in which you can find any information that you might require to do the lab. Let's close that. Close lab book. If I click Return Items, all the items will go back to the place on the shelves. Return to lab. I get back to the lab. Exit, and I go back to my page.